Hi, and welcome to another edition of the EduTuesday, brought to you by the team here at Ignite Search every week. Okay, so today we're going to talk about something that still is not yet fully mainstream, but definitely is picking up in terms of popularity in the communication aspect when it comes to digital marketing and digital interaction, and that is the use of chatbots. Okay, so chatbots essentially is a software that is embedded onto a platform or a website that essentially allows a automated communication between the user and a software, and reduces the amount of human resources required to answer typically simple questions regarding customer service. So say, for example, what is the nearest branch of a bank, and what is the delivery or shipping times for a particular product, or what is the telephone number of the nearest restaurant near the person. So a lot of these customer service questions, where typically there is only one answer, right? Really suits well for chatbots. Okay, so chatbots are just software that is built on top of these platforms that really allows a more cost-effective measure to serve a greater number of prospects or customers at the same time. Now, customer service is a big part of why chatbots are being used. Another way that it can be used as well is via sales and business development. So an inquiry came in, right? If they wish to qualify the lead, then they can do so using a chatbot. Okay. So chatbots, there's lots of different chatbot companies out there. Like, if you do a quick search on Google, right, you'll find no less than 30 or 40 or 50 different types of chatbot companies. And it all comes down to your company, your situation, and what you would like to achieve. And I guess where the attention of your customers is at. So say, for example, we have 3 different categories, and by no means these are, complete. There are other categories as well. So there are some chatbots that are geared towards specific platforms. Say, for example, the Facebook Messenger. The 2 companies that come into mind is ChatView and Mobile Monkey. So they are geared towards that messenger experience and building chatbots for Facebook Messenger. And then there are other ones whereby the chatbots are actually developed by a company which may have very strong automation expertise, and may also grow out of a very similar industry, which is live chat, which is the chat functions that you see on the website for many years now. For example, you put in your username, email address, and then somebody will hop on, a real human will hop on and start to talk to you. A good example of this is Intercom, right? So Intercom started out that way, and then what they did is they kind of morphed to be this marketing automation, I guess, focus. And then by that, right, they now offer something called an answer bot by Operator, which is one of the companies which belongs to Intercom. Okay, so if that ecosystem of having that human interaction and also the automation, right, is important to you, then you probably would consider a company like Intercom that you can actually go to. And then you have the third one, which is more enterprise messenger platforms, right? So enterprise messenger platforms, like, you want more than just a chat, right? You want different features in terms of complexity. Now, there are some platforms that are geared towards that. One example is called inperson.com. Okay, so inperson.com is an enterprise chatbot that is built for larger companies, kind of similar to how I guess box.net is storage solutions, digital storage solution, but for bigger companies as opposed to Dropbox. Okay, so that's kind of the analogy that you can actually draw some conclusion to. There are actually many more types of different types of chatbot companies out there. So I definitely recommend you to go out there and compare and see which features appeal most to you and pick one out. But the conclusion is that chatbots are definitely here to stay, and popular chatbots, because it's so cost effective and it's a great tool, especially for small businesses, it's definitely growing in popularity, and it's getting smarter and smarter every day, so that the value proposition of actually setting up a chatbot, right, will only increase. So if it's something that you have never heard of before, I suggest you read up more about it. If it's something that you know about, then I suggest you definitely give it a try and set up a chatbot for your business. All right, cool. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next week. Bye.